Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, September 11th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we had another decent day today, not quite as wild as yesterday, but we still had a good day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 135 points. It was a little out of sync with the rest of the market, NASDAQ and some other indicators, partially because IBM, which is the leading stock in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, gained like over 2% today, and that really pulled everything up. So the 135 points was just a tad artificial, but it was nevertheless very real. It wasn't a sell-off day. We closed out over $11,000 in closed out trades, and we're carrying nearly $5,000 in open trade equity. So this was a great day for us, and we had some really a couple of really spectacular trades. So I'm very, very pleased with this. Fortunately, the problem with Syria is kind of receding. President Obama didn't get on television last night and tell everybody he's going to bomb the country into submission. That would have certainly caused almost a stock market crash. Didn't happen. Rationality has taken over in Washington, at least for the time being, and the markets are not threatened by talk of pending war. So I'm very happy. Just another great day. Let's take a look at the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and you can see, we've just had nothing but upside action here, particularly for the last 3 days. Very steady climb, and today, this was just, I love this nice gradual climb rather than doing everything all at the beginning. And then, of course, even better, I like this strong finish here that pushed the Dow up a full 135 points today. Very powerful move indeed. I want to show you, actually, I think I'll show you 3 trades here. All of them are pretty interesting. We didn't do quite as good as I would have liked to, and I don't want to start complaining about a day that we close out $11,000, carry $5,000 into tomorrow. But at one point we were up, I think, about 23,000, and this is Qihoo Technologies, and we had a really nice trade here in Qihoo. We bought it way back here, and it moved higher yesterday, and a big move this morning, and it got way the heck up here, but then unfortunately it did pull back, and we got out here. We still took over $4,000 in Qihoo Technologies. Can't complain about that, but we probably would have taken $6,000 or $7,000 if we somehow could have gotten out there at the top. But I want to show you, that's the bad about systems trading. It doesn't always do things perfectly, but sometimes it does do things perfectly. And I would like to end this brief video today showing you what is a perfect trade. This is in SCTY, Solar City. We bought this thing right out of the gate yesterday. It just kept climbing, and then this morning it gapped down. It was kind of disappointing a little bit, but then it starts coming back up, and look at this. We got out right at the top of that. I mean, we could not have picked a better place to get out of this market, and we took over $8,000 out of Solar City on this perfect trade. So, sometimes the system doesn't do it quite right, and sometimes it does it almost perfectly, and you're looking at an absolutely perfect trade with our system in Solar City. So anyway, I'm happy. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.